The previous class we discussing about Coulomb inverse coil law and its applications we can see. The next we discussing about the electric field. What we discussing about the electric field. The electric field is nothing but how to can we develop this electric field. How to can we develop this electric field means the space around a charge. See, for example, this is considered the charge. Unit positive charge. What is considered unit positive charge? This charge, the space around the charge. This is the space around the charge, in which its influence is felt. In its influence is felt is called as the electric field. That means this charge, how much of the force extracted to is there, that is called as the electric field. అంటే ఈ చార్జ్ ఎంతవరకు అయితే అరౌండ్ అంటే ఎంతవరకు అయితే అరౌండ్ ఫోర్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తుందో ఆ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఉంటుందో, ద చార్జ్ యొక్క ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఉంటుందో, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as the electric field. See what is called as an electric field. This is called as the electric field. And now this charge, the space around the charge, the space around the charge in which electrical influence is felt is called as the electric field. అంటే ఈ చార్జ్ యొక్క ఎఫెక్ట్ ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ వరకు అయితే ఉంటుందో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as the electric field. The next we discussing the electric field lines. Electric field lines. See, the electric field lines is nothing but it is an imaginary line. It is an imaginary line, or also say the curved line, along which an isolated unit positive charge would travel in electric field is called as the electric field lines. That means what is say the lines are the electric field lines are a imaginary lines. అంటే ఓన్లీ మనం అజంప్షన్ చేస్తున్నాం అంతే, అవి పర్టికులర్ అక్కడ ఉంటాయంటే మనం ఉండేది చెప్తాం. ద ఇమాజినరీ అండ్ కర్వ్డ్ లైన్స్ along with travel on a isolated unit positive charge. అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి ట్రావెల్ అవ్వాలి మనకు isolated unit positive charge is called as the electric field lines. Now we discussing about this properties of electric field lines. Properties of electric field lines. See here discussing about the properties of electric field lines. So electric field lines, what we say, it is an imaginary or curved line. Imaginary or curved. See, now first we see the some diagrams on this electric field line. See, this is considered the positive charge. What we consider as a positive charge. Now in positive charge we consider this an electric field lines. This electric field lines is away from a positive charge. Away from a positive charge. So this is the electric lines is always away from a positive charge. This is called as the divergent. What is called as divergent of a electric field lines of a positive charge. Next, second one. This is the negative charge. In negative charge, the all electric field lines is a convergent. Convergent is nothing but coming to a negative charge. This is the second diagram. So observe the first one, what is it? The positive charge is there. All electric field lines is away from a positive charge. But in negative charge, what is there? The all will be coming to a negative charge. This is called as the convergent. Convergent of field lines. Field lines. Here say the divergent. Divergent of field lines. Field lines. Next, see another one. See, this is the positive charge. Here is consider the negative charge. Here consider the positive charge and here consider the. But we know that the electric lines always passing the positive charge to negative charge. So this is positive charge to negative charge. And it will be. And these are the negative charge for the coming to it. This is another diagram of a third. So observe this electric field line. Next here consider the positive charge, and here also will be consider the positive charge. The both of them have the positive charge. The positive can be have the repulsion. The repulsion means this is the lines are moving away from this positive charge. This is the divergent. Now observing here that do not passing the lines the positive charge to positive charge. See, this is the diagram, the figure for the fourth one. Now see, the two charges make a uniform electric field. See, that is saying in a positive and negative. See, this is the positive charge, positive, and here take the negative. See, that means the lines are passing in the direction. So this is a uniform electric field. See, this is the diagram for the fifth one. Now this is the positive charge and it is the negative charge. In uniform electric field, we can observe here the lines are passing always from a positive charge to negative charge. Positive charge to negative charge. Now observing for in 5 diagrams. In 5 diagrams, see what we understood by them. Here we can observe for in 5 diagrams that do not intersected of the 2 electric field lines. Do not intersect of the 2 field lines, because where the intersected point they should be have the different 2 different directions. It is impossible. That's why the do not intersect of the 2 electric field lines. Now now we can write here the point wise in this 5 properties. Basically the 5 properties are the 5 properties are we can write here. See here the above already we see the 5 diagrams. Now that is based on we can discussing about see the first diagram 1 and diagram 2. See what is the all field lines that diverge out from positive charge. The all field lines diverge out from the positive charge and converge into a negative charge. See from figure 1 and 2 also denoted by them. Observe. Okay. So this is the first property. What is the first property there? All field lines diverge out from the positive charge and converge into a negative charge. Now second point. Now observing for the all diagrams, the 5 diagrams we can observe where the do not 2 electric lines are intersected. The 2 electrical lines are do not intersect. For example, this is the first line and this is the second line. Here intersected at the point is there. It is not the possible. Because of, see, no 2 electric field lines, no 2 electric field lines intersected each other. If they intersected each other, they should be have the 2 different directions. 2 different directions. It is impossible. It is impossible because of only the electric field lines that start at the positive charge and enter into the negative charge. Means only to have the 1 direction, but not have the 2 directions. It is not impossible. That means it is the 2 electric field lines do not intersected, because where the intersected point they should be have the 2 different directions. It is impossible. This is the second property. Next is the third property. See in third property, the electric field lines do not passing through a conductor. Conductor means the which is electricity or which is electric charges, the passing through in a which materials are the passing through in a charges, that is called as a conductor. Now here that conductor, this electric field lines do not pass through a conductor. The best example, the conductor for the best example we take any metals are taken by the human body. See, that means the electric field lines do not pass through a human body and also metals. See, that's why I say that it is the do not pass through a conductor. Next, fourth one. In a charge free region, the electric field lines can be taken to a continuous in a curve without any breaks. See, that is for example, it has the positive charge, it has the negative charge. See, the electric field lines are always passing positive charge to negative charge. Now we can observe this one. It is not break, it continuously is passing in a curved path without breaks, so passing the positive charge to negative charge. This is the fourth problem. Next, the last one is that the number of field lines the passing through a given area of normal to the surface is called as the electric field lines. See here, this is considered the number of electric field lines. So this is the number of electric field lines. This is considered E. This is the number of electric field. Now here you consider one area. This is the unit area. One unit normal to the surface. Normal to the surface. This area you consider A. See, observe the number of is how many? 1, 2, 3 can be passed into this area. The number of electric field lines, the passing through a area normal to the surface. Normal to the surface is called as the electric flux. Now this electric flux is driven by a pipe. The pipe is equal to E bar dot A bar. E bar dot A bar. E bar is nothing but electric field. A is nothing but area. But we know that in dot product, A bar dot B bar is equal to AB cos theta. That is in a scalar product. We can write also here the EA into cos theta. Theta is the angle between area and electric field. Area and electric field.